Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. I want to share with you today my newest digital kit that's now available in my Etsy shop, and it will be available for 50% off through the month of February. Why? Because it is the month of love, and it's also Black History Month. And with that being said, I'll introduce to you, this is not a part of the kit, although I did use it to make something in a kit. Coupled with Love. That is the name of this kit, and this kit features watercolor florals, some vintage African American images, black and white photos, and some of the things that we enjoy using in our junk journals and our scrapbooking, card making, mixed media art, and so on and so forth. So this is not just a journal kit, it's also for the paper crafters, okay? So what we have here is we have on the first page, and by the way, it's 12 pages, 12 PDFs, and a multiple, you got background pages, journal cards, pockets. So we'll get into that. So right here we have a trifold journal card. Okay, then you have the pocket that it goes into. Now you can use this in your journal, but you can also use it on the front of a card. Add a sentiment onto these, and then also add a sentiment on the inside of the card. Maybe write a little note. We have an enlarged postage stamp here that's approximately 4 inches, and then we have a smaller life-size one that's about 1.25 inches. The next page, I printed all of these on cardstock just because it's a lot easier for me to the tones show up a little bit better. We have a floral framed, watercolor floral framed journaling page, okay? We have here, and I'm going to bring this down just a bit. Oh boy, I'm out of focus here. We have a couple in the front of hanging out in the front of the car. I'd like to think that they were coming from church or maybe coming from someone's wedding. They are nicely dressed up, and the car looks like it's shined up as well. And then that is on top of some ledger paper, and then a little watercolor flower off to the side. I left enough area for you to journal on as well as decorate. Okay, then we have the journaling tags, and these are approximately 6 inches by, I want to say, 3¼ inches. Both are the same size. Then we have 9 word tiles, all surrounding love and couples: beloved, unity, adore, bliss, harmony, devoted, mi amor, together, and cherish. And these are about 1.5 inches long. We have a belly band down here at the bottom, and that is 8.5 by 1.5 inches. Okay. Here we have another pocket. Now this pocket is a little bit smaller. This pocket is 3 inches by 2.5, approximately 2.5. And then so we have the little trifold journaling cards with the cute little adorable kids right there. Let me bring that into focus so you guys can see that. And then we have another couple standing in front of their car. Now they look like they're just heading out for their honeymoon, looking fabulous. And then we have some flowers that you guys can fussy cut out and use in your journal with your kit or without. It's totally up to you how you do that. And nice softer tones in this kit. I am a black, white, and bright type girl, but I just wanted to go a little bit different on this one. Then we have a journaling page with some music notes, pages, whatever. And then down here is a little label. And just so you know, there is enough space here for you to cut one of the word tiles out and pop it on top of that label there. Okay. Then we also have this beautiful, handsome couple, military couple there on top of a green marblish colored background. Let's see if you can see it. There's a upper floral frame up there, and then there's a handwritten letter faintly in the back, and on the side here it's a little faded out, but you have enough space to write in, decorate, or however you want to do it. This would make a wonderful card base If you printed this in 50%, it would be about this size. Okay, and then you could put this here. This side right here would obviously be about this size, and you could use that on the front of a card base. And then we have it also in brown on the top of coffee. It's a coffee dyed background right there. It's from one of my coffee dyed kits. We have a pinstripe. Well, it's not pinstripe. It's notebook paper, notebook lines with the watercolor flower. So you can use this for collaging, or if you print it and then print, on the opposite side something, just a one color sheet, or wash it very lightly with a tea, then you can use this as a journaling page, or the opposite side for journaling page. We have the floral frame on the journaling page with a salmon color. Well, it's more like a brownish, peachish colored background. Okay. Then we have a floral background paper or pattern paper with a salmon colored background. Okay. You can use this for collaging as well. And then last but not least, we have the pink notebook paper. So altogether we have 12 pages. And let me bring that down so you guys can see one more time. Again, this will be available in my Etsy shop. 50% off through the month of February. There are 4 pages of this that I have released once a week throughout the month of February. So 2 of these pages have already been released to my Patreon members. They get first dibs at my kits, so they can play around with them and get an idea of whether or not they want to purchase the kit. It's only right, And if that's something that interests you, there's a link below to my Patreon site, my Patreon channel, and you can become a member as well and have early access to these things for free. Okay, and so I'm very excited about this kit because it's something that I've been working on, and it's personal and near and dear to me because I like to see myself in my family and my heritage in the things that I create. You know what I mean? So that being said, I hope you guys enjoy it. Now, following this, I will show you how I put together this journaling tag right here. If I can find it. Oh, it's right here. Okay, I'm going to show you how I created that. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to put a comment below. Now, if you're new to the channel and you like this type of thing and you want to be made aware of every time I drop a new digital kit or any time that I'm creating here on the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you don't miss any of this crafty goodness here on the channel. For those who are returning subscribers, I want to thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and for coming back. All right, so stay tuned for the next part. Okay, so we have the finished tag, which is actually more of a pocketed tag. So as you saw, I cut out and assembled the pocket, and then I took the trifold journal card, cut one of them out, backed it with this newspaper type print, added the stamp at the top so it can serve more or less like a tag hold, like a tag pull. Added a little bit of pearl up there, and then stitched around it. And before I placed the pocket onto this tag, which has the pink lined paper from the kit, this is also has a lacy kind of stamp on the back. Before I added the pocket to that, I went ahead and stitched around the edge using a more like a salmon colored thread, and then I added a little bit of it's kind of like, it has like a pearlesque hue to it, but it's a cream colored rose trim. Okay, so let me just bring that up, try and get a little bit of a focus on that. I think it came out absolutely darling. And I also added one of the word tiles there to the label that was placed there. So I love the way this turned out. I hope that you guys will take an opportunity to head over to my Etsy shop, check out the pages there, and go ahead and grab a set for yourself, and maybe even a gift one for a friend, And anyways, thanks so much for watching. And until we're back here together on YouTube and Patreon, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.